This is our manual because I'm not very tacky, you know. I'm not seeing any manual. Oh, my father screws. Welcome back, YouTube gang. Load videos every other day, so once you subscribe, be sure to check them out. Let's get into the video. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my very first ring light. Yes, my very first ring light ever, and I'm so happy. I really wanted one ever since I started TikTok. I wanted a ring light, and now I have my very special ring light. I got it from Real Nice Lighting. Yeah, I guess it's an online business. From Instagram, I reached out to them. This is a 10-inch LED ring light, and this is $695 TT dollars. Yeah. So when I got the ring light, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to do a video unboxing this ring light. Like, yes. So right now I'm using my lovely window lights to film, and I mean, is looking nice or whatever. Anyways, let's get into this. So this is my ring light here, and we're going to open it up. So you know like you'll have nails, right? So let's see how this goes, opening this with nails. Okay, so this is the first time I'm using two cameras, so bear with me. This is our manual because I'm not very tacky, you know. I'm not seeing any manual. Oh, my father screws.
Okay, so this is the part to hold the phone. And this will be a video with me uploaded.
So it's very light, and hopefully it's very simple. So yeah, this is the ring light part, and then I got the part for the wall. Okay, so this is me without ring lights, and let me close the curtain. Okay, so this is me with the curtain closed. Oh my god! This is me with the ring light. Yes, TikTok video is about to be popping. Like, I could literally rest this here and we are good. And my room is dark right now. My room is dark, okay? My curtains are dark curtains, so it is dark. yes, selfies, yes, everything. Okay. So this is the 10-inch ring light from Real Nice Lighting. They have a whole other set of ring lights, so check them out. I'm feeling take some selfies right now. Okay, so let's continue setting this up. That it is not cordless, so you have to be by a plug in order to use it. That's the only thing, but other than that is fine. Okay, so I was looking real, cute or whatever in my little dress. However, like to put on this, I think like I would need to bend down and stuff, and I ain't trying to flash nobody. So yeah, I decided to change into some home clothes. So let's see how we. Okay. So I don't know what this is for. This is the. Yeah, but then what's stopping this? That's why I don't know. Listen, I'm not trying to. Okay, I think it's just to turn and lock it because it's not going down anymore. Wow. As tall as me. Nearly as tall as me. Okay. So we figured out the spot for the tripod. So now it is for these thingies. So we have this. So oh, that's for the ring light. Okay. Right. Not right. What is this for? Well, I'm guessing screw. Is it for here? No, that can't be for here. Is it? Okay, well, this is to move the ring light. I can know that much. But this can't fit here. So how? What the hell? This, look at this hole, and look how fat this is. That kind of way here. I don't know if I'm serious, so there's no manual thing. Me, you giving no manual to, like, really? So how is this? This is for here. What the hell this supposed to go into? I wonder if this messing. Nah, I don't understand what to do. Let me check the box again. Okay, so the person said that they're going to send a video demo to understand how this big thing fits in. It doesn't have anywhere for it to fit. So let's wait for Mr. Real Nice Lighting to send a video. We'll be back when he sends the video. I can't see it. Right. I'm watching the video right now. So I see where I went wrong, because I was like, excuse, what you're showing me is not what I'm seeing. What the hell is this? But this is actually a covering. Good, that's what we want to see. So I know what to do now, because it's kind of foolproof, but that part there really confused me. Like, I was almost to message Mr. Real Nice Lighting and be like, bruv, what's going on? Like, where's my thing? BRB. Put this piece here. Right. Okay, I'm going to screw it on. So this was the slack and this was the okay. Hey. Nope, not that way. I'm sure it's an easier way. Duppy bad enough. Wait, boy, I'm embarrassing myself on YouTube. Okay. I just say let me start it off the camera because I didn't want to look that stupid, you know. Could look a little stupid, but not that stupid. Right. We lit for haul videos. Okay. And I have a haul video coming very soon. I'm waiting for the package. Right, oh yeah, but I got a little excited today. So for this part, which is the part that holds your phone, it have like a little metal piece. So as I was saying, if you so it rotates, so I can bend it this way, back, forward. This is me without the ring lights. This is me with my window light, which is perfect that I recently realized. And I'm gonna show you without my ring lights. Not without, with my ring lights. So close my curtain. This is me with the ring light, feeling myself. Okay. Yes. Loving it. Love it. Oh, that's too low. What? Okay. Yeah. This is my little stool for my vanity. This is exciting. This is very exciting. I need to work on how to angle it and stuff, but this is very exciting. My first ring light, so my videos are gonna be bright. I can film really nice and it's still gonna be bright. TikTok videos gonna be popping. Follow me on TikTok. Definitely link it in the description box below. So yes, TikTok videos about to be popping. YouTube videos about to be lit, literally. Selfies and photos. Okay, about to be popping. So on the button, you have the on and off button. You have this button, I guess I don't know what that means. Well, that's the lower down, but it's not lower down. I don't know why the camera is not focusing. Then there's a refresh button. Okay, so this made the light get yellow. And then, okay, a kind of whitey color. This is a darker yellow than the white one, then a next yellow, right? So it's 3 colors. This is to brighten it. So there's the plus sign to brighten it on top here. So let me switch it back to white. I guess that's all the white I have. This is all the white. Okay, so I'm lowering it right now. I'm lowering it. And I'm going to put it up. Ooh. So those are all the buttons. You have to plug it on to use it. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And we lit after this video. I will see you all in my next